are. For those of you who have been following along, I think it was back in episode 2 where this was said.
Go subscribe. We need to make this YouTube money so Riza can buy more lights.
Thank you. Today is our lucky day. There's actually like way more boxes than this. I've been thinking lately on what it means to constantly be putting in effort to learn new things. Did I open this backwards? God, this is a mess. Ow. Earlier this year, I told myself that I want to get better at filmmaking. Lighting is something that I've always loved and appreciated, but it can be a little intimidating. Oh good, you're here.
Again?
So today I'm going to try to recreate natural light. I've tried to do this a couple times in the past, but I've actually never had powerful enough lights to pull it off. So thank you to Nanlight for sponsoring this video and sending me these lights. Yay! Woo-hoo! Ooh. What the heck do we do with this thing? Cool. All right.
So what is this?
So this is the Forza 500B Mark II. It's a powerful spotlight that's super compact and can have various attachments like the Fresnel 20G. The light comes with a quick release clamp, runs on AC or 1 to 2 V-mount batteries, and has a control unit with an OLED screen. It has a CCT range of 2700 to 6500 Kelvin, dimming 0 to 100 with decimals, has a rare green to magenta shift, and overall a beast of a light.
Cool.
This lighting though, fake as hell.
Who knew?
Not us.
Not us.
Not us. Alright, a few more things to set up before we try out our final shot. But while we wait, I remember when I first started freelancing around 6 or 7 years ago at this point. In the beginning, I would take any gig that I would get, even if it was for free. Eventually, I started to get busier, and then I had no time to learn anything new about my craft. It was just go, go, go at the same level that I was at, and just kind of going with what I knew up until then. I guess I was alright, but like nowhere near the best by any means. I found myself staying at that level for a while, and I realized that it's been a while since I actually learned something new. Oh, how's it going? Don't look at it like that. I stayed at that comfortable level because it was good enough, but in reality, there's so many more things for me to learn. A little to your left. Your other left.
My bad.
What I'm trying to say is, when you think you know everything, you don't.
Can we eat now?
Salvation. So, we have been working hard. Cheers. Hello.
How are we doing?
Good, good. Thank you.
Thank you.
You're very welcome. Do we need anything else at all?
Hot sauce? These are my favorite chicken fingers.
Just put ketchup on your mac and cheese.
Yes, I did. Always be a lifelong student. I think that's what really sets apart people, in my opinion, especially people who I tend to look up to or people who I've read about. That's what will separate you from the rest, and that's something that I'm trying to incorporate into my own life. I never went to film school. Everything that I know now is because I've either learned it by myself, learned from people who are more talented than I am, or scoured the internet for any videos that could help me. I really do feel like I'm still so far away from where I want to be, but I don't think that has to be such a terrible thing. Besides, I guess there's always something to learn.